Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to paint some floral bookmarks. This is gonna be super simple and super easy. So for the first one I'm using some pink, cobalt blue, yellow. You can use any color whatever you like to paint this background. I'm going to sprinkle some colors into it. So I'm going to sprinkle yellow and green color. Basically I want to create some yellow flowers for the first one. So I'm using yellow and green into it. Now let's move to the third one. So third one I want little dark, so I'm using all dark shades whatever I can use. So I'm using blue, violet, purple, orange color is not going very well with the other colors, so I'll suggest don't use orange color. And so I'm going to use blue color now to make it little dark, and with the help of tissue paper I'll lift some color, and then we will sprinkle some green and blue mix into it. I'm trying to create some branches here, so let's put some random branch structure here, and make sure you are doing all these things when sheet is still wet, and let it be for some time. And let's move to the second one. So for the second one I'm using yellow and orange color for the background, and then I'll sprinkle some pink and white color into it. Sprinkle some green color in all the three bookmarks, and then I'll sprinkle some more yellow and orange for the first one. So before that, lift some color if required, and then sprinkle some more color into it. Now we are done with all the three bookmarks, and we need to do some finishing touch here. So I'm using ball pen for the same. So for the second one I'm going to create small flowers using ball pen, and for the third one I'm going to create some branches, and for the first one I'm going to create some stems using ball pen. So we are almost done here. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe if you like my video, and please do give me some feedback if you have any. Thank you.